In an era where personalization reigns supreme, tailor-made experiences have become the gold standard. Yet the health and nutrition industry lags behind, immersed in a sea of generic meal plans. Health-conscious individuals tirelessly search for diets that cater to their unique nutritional needs, often met with frustration as cookie-cutter solutions fail to deliver. The challenge extends to businesses in the health sector, struggling to distinguish themselves in a saturated market. This segment sheds light on a critical issue: the demand for personalized nutrition that goes unmet, setting the stage for a transformative journey towards bespoke meal planning. As we delve into this narrative, we'll explore how the shift from generic to customized meal plans marks a pivotal moment of innovation in health and nutrition, promising a future where every dietary plan is as unique as the individual it's designed for. Envision planning is not a one-size-fits-all proposition, but a meticulously tailored service that reflects each person's health and nutritional idiosyncrasies. Personalized meal planning services represent a paradigm shift, championing a diet that aligns with every individual's specific needs, heralding a new era of optimized health and wellness. By leveraging data, these services craft meal plans that genuinely resonate with the personal preferences and dietary requirements of each user, delivering not just nourishment, but also satisfaction. For businesses in the health sector, this move towards personalization isn't just innovative, it's essential. Providing bespoke meal plans offers a distinct competitive edge, fostering customer loyalty and setting the foundation for sustained growth. As we continue on this path, we'll witness the transformative power of personalized nutrition, reshaping the future of health and wellness by ensuring each meal plan is as unique as the individual it serves. As we advance in our narrative, we see that the essence of personalization transcends mere diet adaptation. It's about creating a comprehensive ecosystem where health, happiness, and business flourish. Personalized meal plans transform customer interactions from transactions to meaningful engagements, where individuals feel truly seen and understood. This deep sense of fulfillment fosters loyalty, turning customers into lifelong proponents of a service that values their well-being above all. Businesses thrive by distinguishing their offerings, not only achieving growth, but also cultivating a community centered around wellness. This journey reveals a profound truth. When we prioritize personalized care, we don't just nourish bodies, we enrich lives, strengthen communities, and drive business innovation. As we champion this holistic approach, we're not just feeding individuals, we're nurturing a healthier, more connected world.